Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is January bi-weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see Pisces what's going on in your messages. Pisces water sign. What's going on in your messages. Pisces water sign. Hierophant, Five of Wands and the Tower. Page of Wands. Yeah, Knight of Swords under the deck. Someone is coming back to you if you are in separation. They are rushing towards you. They are in so much rush. Yeah, some communication is also coming in your way. Yeah, maybe it could be you going towards your person. Energy could be vice versa because this is general reading. So let's see your reading. Pisces, your recent past, the Hierophant, Five of Wands and the Tower. Definitely there is separation in relationship between you and your person and there is a lot of drama is going between you and your person. For some there is separation, for some there is no contact. Okay. If you are in contact, for some there is no consistent communication between you and your person. Yeah, there is a lot of drama. I think there is no commitment. Your person is non-committal to you because there is Five of Wands. There is a lot of drama involved and the Tower. Definitely you are undergoing some Tower moment right now, Pisces, in recent past. And right now what is going between you and your person? King of Wands, Page of Swords and Page of Wands. Maybe some children's also involved in this connection. Some communication is coming. They want to communicate with you. Page of Wands. One person is younger than the other person in this connection. One person is very good looking. Some spying is going between you and your person. Maybe they are spying on you on social media. Maybe you spying on them on social media. But you stand by your power. King of Wands. Yeah, you are very grounded and you stand by your power. And in near future energies, Five of Swords, Four of Cups and the Fool. Maybe you are sad for the missed opportunity with your person. Five of Swords energy. Yeah, there are some disturbances, misunderstandings between you and your person. Five of Swords energy. And you are really, that's why the separation had happened between both of you. And Four of Cups, yeah, you are feeling sad because you missed the opportunity with your person. Yeah, but you want new beginnings. For some, you want new beginnings with your person, brand new beginnings. For some, you started your life in new way. You are going with the flow. You are enjoying every moment in the life. Yeah, this is very positive energy for you, Pisces. For some, your person want brand new beginnings with you. Take what resonate and leave the rest. What I'm getting here, some communication, some spying is going between you and your person right now, and there is a lot of drama involved in this connection. For some, it could be due to third person or third party involved. I think you want the disputes between you and your person. You decided. That's why you want brand new beginnings. You are feeling sad. You are missing them. Yeah, Four of Cups. So, the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, the Hanged Woman. They may be stuck and thinking. They are also thinking about you. So let's see your person current feelings, Pisces. First, later we see the near future actions. Lot of cards. So Pisces, your person current feelings. For some there is separation, for some no contact. For some there is no constant communication. Yeah, they're missing you so much. Nine of Swords energy. And under the deck, Devil. Definitely there is obsession between you and your person. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. The Nine of Swords with High Priestess and Queen of Cups, they do have love for you. Queen of Cups energy. But Nine of Swords, they're thinking about you a lot, especially when at night times when they are alone. But your person this time listening to their higher self, listening to their inner voice. High Priestess is here. Maybe they are manifesting you. And Queen of Cups, definitely they have emotions for you. They have strong emotions, Pisces. Yeah, they're missing you so much. Nine of Swords energy. They're in anxiety. And obsession is also, they are obsessively thinking about you. They are obsessed with you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Pisces. Your person near future actions towards you, Pisces. Yeah, I think you both are not talking to with each other, and Six of Swords, maybe they really want to fix the things between both of you. For some, your person may be trying to move on from you, very few. Six of Swords, maybe this could be long distance relationship, maybe you both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, they do really want to offer commitment, because King of Pentacles is and death. Maybe your person undergoing some transformation, awakening. Four of Swords, yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe your person undergoing some healing process, they are doing meditation. Yeah, Four of Swords energy is not talking but thinking about you a lot. Yeah, your person undergoing some transformation, they really want to offer stability, because King of Pentacles, they really want to take this relationship to next level, Pisces. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Scorpio, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Under the deck, Eight of Pentacles, they really want to work on this relationship. For some, your person right now concentrating on their career, they're working towards on their goals. Definitely, because Eight of Pentacles. For some, they really want to work on this relationship, because they're fantasizing about you a lot. Seven of Cups and Four of Wands. They want celebration with you. Maybe you both could be twin flames also. 11 and 11. I think you both are on the same page, what I'm getting here. See here, Six of Cups, reconciliation, because you both got death cards. Strong Scorpio energy, water sign. Yeah, you are overburdened. You are feeling overburdened. One more card, Queen of Swords. Yeah, under the deck, Eight of Wands, communication, lots of communication is coming in your way, Pisces. So what I'm getting here, definitely there is no contact. One person cut the other person off. Queen of Swords energy, maybe some communication is going to be happen, because Queen of Swords with Eight of Wands, definitely some communication. And Ten of Wands, you person, I think you feeling right now overburdened due to your work pressure, or without this person you are feeling like this. Yeah, maybe in this relationship, you are not putting 100%, because you are having hard time to express your feelings, or you are having hard time to put an energy on this relationship, because you have a lot of work to do, Pisces. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So what I'm getting here, in near future, the outcome, some communication is going to be happen, because under the deck, Eight of Wands, some changes are coming in this relationship. Yeah, but they have strong emotions for you, Pisces. They're thinking about you a lot, for sure. So let's see your overall energy, Pisces. So the person involved in this connection could be strong fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Scorpio. Magician, Pisces, and Nine of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. Definitely you are achieving financial stability, and in relationship also some stability is coming. Seven of Pentacles, you are invested in energy, or you are investing your emotions in relationship and waiting for the result, and the stability is coming. Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. And Magician, you are in Magician energy. Definitely you are manifesting right now everything in your life. You are in this energy, your wishes are going to be granted. So let's see your person overall energy, Pisces. Ten of Cups, the world. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Seven of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. So yeah, they have love for you. They are coming back, but very slow moving energy, and they already invested in this connection. And this could be long distance relationship. They want reconciliation with you. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level, because Ten of Cups with the world. For some, the same cycles are repeating between you and your person again and again. They want this happiness with you. Ten of Cups, happy family. Yeah, so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. You both are on the same page. You both are undergoing some transformation. You have worked through your fears. Definitely if you are if you are having fear about something, you have some fear issues, this is the time for work through your fears. Yeah, if you you have to overcome that fear, this is the time for you. This is the message from universe. So this, they're coming back, definitely they're thinking about you a lot, they're missing you, Pisces. But some communication is going to be happen between both of you right now. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.